Welcome to the Run EU General Assembly 2024 wrap-up. This week offered a deep dive into the future of European higher education, driven by collaboration, innovation, and an unwavering commitment to regional impact. Our journey commenced with the associated partners, who highlighted their vital role within the Run EU network. Krista Taipale underscored the fundamental importance of these partnerships, stating, "The collaboration between the Run EU universities and the regional stakeholders plays a crucial role in the development and the success of the European University Run, reinforcing the vast potential for joint opportunities." As she aptly put it,
Add the associate partners network on top. We have a network of networks.
Next, the panel discussion on skills and lifelong learning explored essential competencies for the future. Vincent Knane, leading coordinator of Run EU, emphasized the significance of soft skills.
Communication, interaction with other people, group work, verbal communication, written communication. These are the soft skills that people want now.
Mihai Kizilaian, chair of the Student Council, passionately reinforced the centrality of communication. Krista Taipale added that no region in this global world can succeed alone, stressing the need for international communication skills. Hannes Rapazada encouraged thinking beyond the measurable, urging us to imagine the impossible.
Trust yourself and trust your intuition.
The work package's reports showcased Run EU's tangible progress and impact. Final remarks consolidated the vision and commitment for the future. Rory Nevin, Run EU CEO, assured that all voices are heard. "We are listening to you. We have taken strong note of what you said to us. We will work with you to make Run better." Stefan expressed a bold, transformative vision. "We're going to shape the university of the future," adding that diversity is our strength and always will be our strength. The Run EU General Assembly 2024 reaffirmed our dedication to a more connected, innovative, and resilient Europe. The future starts now, and we are building it together.